I'm Kyle Hollow.
And I'm Kevin Flores, and we're reporting live from Channel 15 News.
We've been informed that a blizzard warning is in effect for Suffolk and Nassau counties through Friday, and we will be expecting as much snow as last year's.
Now here's Peyton with how snow is formed.
Thank you, Kevin. Snow is formed when temperatures are low and there is moisture in the form of small ice crystals in the atmosphere. When the small ice crystals hit each other, they stick together in clouds to become snowflakes. If there is enough ice crystals that stick together, they'll become heavy enough to fall to the ground. Back to you, Kevin.
Now here are some tips for how to be safe during the snow.
No sir, I ain't been drinking, I ain't even had one beer. This sweet thing's got me buzzing from whispering in my ear. Just take a peek up in here.
Really can't stay, don't hold out. Oh, but it's cold outside.
I'm Kyle Hollow.
And I'm Kevin Flores, and we're reporting live from Channel 15 News.
Are you kidding me? Oh my god.
Hi, I'm Kyle Hollow.
And I'm Kevin Flores, and we're reporting live from Channel 17.
15! It's on your up!
It says 17 right there.
Kind of said that.
1 second.
Thank you, Kevin. Snow is formed when temperatures are low and there is moisture in the form.
Boo, you suck! Now here are some tips for how to be safe during a snowstorm. Tips for how to be safe during a snowstorm.
Stop. Joe.
I'm using
You're such a nerd.
Oh shit, my tie's fucked up.
Kevin, you can't say bad words.
Oh, sorry, Sashek. I love you, baby.
In the beginning, I never thought it would be you. When we were chilling, smiling in the photo booth, but we got closer